Okay, deriving sum formula. And the problem with this over here is there's many ways to do it, and this is just one thing we'd like you to look through. And I would say that this section over here, something important about it is, I would say you write things for people to read things. And I'm going to say, textbooks are written not for problem sets, but textbooks are written to be read. And I would really kind of recommend you do that. You read that. And so how do you read? Well, piece of paper, pencil, and you get out, you read the book, write things down, try to make sense out of what's being said. But of course, I say that you want to know what your goal is in reading a textbook is to learn. Typically, you set up a goal. The first goal, I'm going to say, finding a sum, but I'm going to find S1. I write that down. This is something we've already derived in the text, by the way. And we go through that. You read through that, by the way. And then I say, another goal would be finding S2. I go through that. Hopefully you're willing to go through that in yourself. Does it take effort? Of course it does. Finding S3, yada, yada, yada. All right? Is it work? Of course it is. Finding S4? Yep. Write it down, go through it. Finding S5? Yeah, it's work. All right? I also talk about using Sage, and I did. And I also give you something to think about. All right? What does that mean, problem sets? The blue areas you probably know by now is going to be basically the work area. All right? So I go through a lot of work with the hope that you're going to read it. All right? Now, here's the deal. I want to just talk about, I had trouble with the programming. So I reached out to the Sage community. And I recommend you read through this over here. And, two very nice people from the Sage community reached back to me with a response to my troubles. And they, basically gave me some good answers. Again, my recommendation, read through it, right? Now, certainly when I post this, I'm glad that they read through my concerns and addressed the issues. And I would like you to do it as well, that you read through my text and address your concerns. And hopefully I'll be able to answer any questions you might have. All right, let me just remind you who I am. I'm Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @NNON.US. Again, thank you for paying attention.